Okay guys, this is a dirt problem. Distance is equal to rate times time. That's an equation that you should just know from back in the day. Equals rate times time. If we took that guy and got the r by itself, it would be rate equals distance divided by time. And if we got the time by itself, then it would be time equals distance over r. So when you look at these guys, you got to ask yourself what's going to be equal on both of these guys. In this case, notice a motorboat can contain a constant speed 34 miles per hour relative to the water. The boat makes makes a trip upstream to a certain point in 43 minutes. The return trip takes 25 minutes. What is the speed of the current? Notice the distance upstream has to be equal to the what? Distance downstream. So what's cool about that is I call this D upstream equals D downstream. What's the formula for distance? RT equals RT. So what you're going to say is the rate upstream. See if it gives me a subscript. Nope. Times the time upstream must equal the rate what? Down times what? The time upstream. Okay? Sorry, time downstream, right? Cool thing about this is let's put little spaces here so we can see what's going on here. Now, you know that distance was what? RT, RT, rate. Here's the big connection. Rate is the speed. So what you do is, if you're going upstream, then you have the current working with you. Your speed of your boat relative to water is 34 miles an hour. But I'm going to go upstream, so I'm going to call X be my current speed, the speed of the water. So that's why I put a plus. It's going to make me go faster. What's my time? This is upstream. It's got to be negative. Why is it negative? Because it's working against me. My time to go upstream was 43 minutes. Should take longer. Makes sense. You got to go against the water. Now my rate down is going to be 34 miles per hour plus X, the speed of the water, because why? It's going with me. So my time downstream should be what? Faster. Notice what we have. We have rate times time, rate times time. Upstream is always going to be a negative going against you. Downstream is going to always be a plus working with you. Okay. While I'm here, let's go ahead and distribute this. Let's bring up the handy dandy calculator. I'm being lazy. I don't feel like thinking. Alrighty. Here comes accessories. Here comes calculator. I'm distributing that what? 34 times what? Times 43. That gives me, I forgot to see what it gave me, 1,462. So that's 1,462 minus 43x, because we distributed, equals 34 times 25 should be 750 plus 100, 850 plus 25x. Let's get the handy dandy calculator to confirm that, but you know, I'm feeling pretty comfortable this morning. 25 times 34. Cool, 850. Now, ask yourself, what kind of equation we have? We have what? A linear equation. So what do? Letters left, numbers right. Let's pull this down a little bit, see if we can get the whole thing up here so you can see what's going on. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep going right here. That tells me I'm going to have minus 43, x minus 25x. Why is the 25 negative? Because he crossed the bridge. 850 minus 1462. Why did that become negative? Cross the bridge. Notice Both of these are got negative. You owe me 43, you owe me 25, you owe me 68, right? These are different, so what are we going to do? Subtract, right? We know our answer is going to be negative 50. I get 612. Check the old handy dandy calculator, make sure I'm all right. I ain't doubt my skills. I got my flashcards. Accessories. Okay, let's do 850 minus 1462. 612. Whoop whoop. You know me, never divide by what? Negative sign. So what I'm gonna do? Red light, change them both. Right? Don't forget your X. What are you gonna divide by now? 68. Right? So let's come over here. Right? Kick it over here. I'm going to divide by, right, divide by, get my handy dandy pen. I'm going to divide by 68, divide by 68, bam bam, X equals. Now notice me, be careful. I want to make sure I know 68 goes into 612. Actually, this can be a decimal. We're not going to stress it. Cool. All programs. Go back to the calculator. I'm going to do 612 divided by 68. Turns out to be nice and pretty. So that turns out to be what? 9. 9 what? 9 miles per hour is the what? Speed of the current, right? Because we said let X be speed of current. That's what I'm looking for. Correct. Guess I could get the pen. That's all messy. Speed of current. Right? Which turns out to be what? 9 miles an hour. Really straightforward. Practice it. No big deal.